Hello students, today we will study the geography chapter What are resources? Let us understand what are resources.
Resources. Water is a resource as it is used for drinking, irrigation, cleaning purpose and cooking also. In the same way, all those things which fulfill human needs and wants are resources. It may, in the simple word, we can say that all the useful element which satisfy the human wants in environment is known as resources. What is the importance of resources? Resource make human life happy and simple. So primitive man was completely dependent on nature. Then gradually a man utilized elements of nature with his intelligence to fulfill their needs. Today, those countries which have more resources are considered developed and prosperous. Resources have importance in our life as their availability indicates the development. Resources can be classified into different categories such as natural and human resources, renewable and non-renewable resources. What is natural resources? Resources that have taken from the nature and are useful to a man, and it is very important for the development of the human beings, and they also category into two types, biotic and abiotic. Biotic, which is the use in the biotic example forest, abiotic example land. Human resources. Resources which created by the man is called human resources, and it is essential for the development of the countries. Man is now on the road to developing biotic resources through genic technology. Now next come to the renewable resources, that they can be renewed by physical, mechanical and chemical process. The physical means by hand work, mechanic with the help of the machine, chemical which can be changes into a metal to a non-material or mineral into a different process. They do not get exhaust easily. Example, water, forest, animal, water power. It means they are abundance in nature. We can use in a proper way so that we can get a more and more variable things. Non-renewable resources that cannot be renewed very easily. They got exhausted after excessive use. Then it took a long time to gain it. For example, fossil fuel, coal, gas and petroleum. Now the last we can conclude with the future of the earth and its people depend upon our ability to maintain and preserve the life support system that are the resources. We should ensure that all uses of renewable resources as sustainable. The diversity of life on the earth is conserved. The damage to natural environment system is minimized. Then only we will be able to take care of future generation.
Thank you all of you. That's all today. Have a nice day.